squirter.
Brethren. Bro, you ever been to Vegas and you've been to the Bellagio, you see the fountain shoot up? Let me tell you all the backstory. The technician dropped the radiator. He dropped the radiator and then he decided to install the dropped radiator. And that's your results. Just look at it. Just look at it.
That's funny. That's crazy. Chrysler. Go figure.
Go figure is right. And the radiator's on back order and the car's not going to be done for another month.